Hello, praise the Lord, Shalom everyone. This is Raja from India. Now I would like to introduce one of our team leader. His name Pastor Raju, and also he is a wonderful man of God. He is working in two different villages. Actively, he participates in every activities in our team. Now he will share something what happened in his life in our ministry time. Would like to share with us. So, would you please listen him and pray for this man of God and pray to our ministry in India. Thank you very much. Please, Raju. Thank you. Carry on.
Hi, greetings to everyone, and my name is Pastor Raju. I am working in two different places. One is Dantamuru, another is in K. Savaram in Andhra Pradesh. And God gave me the opportunity for the ministry in Shalom Ministries through Pastor Raja. Pastor Raja gave me the opportunity to work along with him as a team leader in the Shalom Ministries in India. And also he gave me the opportunity to translate to the missionary, Brother Matthew. So Brother Matthew, and he came to India, and while he was here, I am able to translate him in all the mission trip. So after the completion of the mission trip, me and my nephew and brother Pastor Raja, we were traveling to Hyderabad to leave him in the airport. So we got in a horrible accident, car accident. In that accident, I was like dead. I do not know what happened, but Pastor Raja and brother Matthew laid their hands and cryingly praying to the Lord. And after a couple of minutes or couple of time, I was back to the life again. Though I was not easily, taking breath, but they helped me to take the breath, and then they admitted in the hospital. Then after, I was recovered slowly. I thank you because God lifted me and God secured my life in His hands. I believe that because of God's grace and because of Pastor Raja and Brother Matthew's prayers and many saints of God's prayers, I was back to life again. So then, now I am in the ministry again, back to the ministry and working for the Lord, for the extension of the kingdom of the Lord. And now I have decided that wherever God leads me and whatever God's appointed me the work, I am ready to do and ready to work for the Lord. And God raised me from deadly position, and God gave me again the life. So one word of thanks is not enough to gratitude to the Lord for because of this great life that He has given me. So being thankful, I have decided to work for the Lord, and I am thankful for every one of you for all your prayers. And I am thankful for Pastor Raja mostly, for he encourages me and he helped me in every ministry work. And so he is doing very wonderful work here, and I am blessed to be in the part of this ministry. And thank you for all your support and your prayers also. Thank you, and please continue to pray for my family and the ministry work that we are doing here and for the congregations here. Thank you.